Hey guys, we're out here with the rammer today. I finally got a full. I got these finally rotated. I've been talking about for months on the channel here, and a full-size spare. Now the next challenge is on the 5th gen, getting it up into this spare tire spot, I guess you could call it. Well, I made one attempt yesterday with the tire guy, and it kept hitting right here. So I'm gonna try again today, and I think what I'm gonna do is try and let some air out of it once I get to the part. Get a little higher in the air, see where it's hitting. I'm pretty sure I gotta let air out no matter what. And then see if I can get it in there. And then my plan is to refill it up there as much as I can. And that's knowing if I gotta bring it down again, if I ever do need to use it, I gotta let some air out and then refill it, which is kind of crazy. Might cause another project to like an air pump or something that I can quickly get to in the back here. I do have one here at the house, but yeah, kind of interesting underneath here. Everything looks good, actually. I don't see any leaks other than right there by the differential. I see some oil, maybe a little oil blow by right there, a little dirty. The other side looks pretty clean compared. So that's probably okay. I just gotta maybe mention it when I get it in. I think it's got another recall, like I mentioned last time. Anyhow, I'm gonna set this up for a minute while I do this. Probably is not the most interesting video in the world, but maybe it helps someone if you're gonna run a full-size spare. It's the way to do it. So, well, hopefully it's the way to do it. We'll find out. It might be a total bust. I might let air out and basically for no reason at all. If I can't get it in there, I'd have to just pump it back up. And my plan is to put it in the back of the bed, right behind the cab, if that's the case. And I'll probably won't be this video. I'll do another video. So it'll be part 1 and 2. The spare tire fun. So enjoy. Hopefully everyone can see that. Right there. I'll be working on it, so actually might need to go a little more right there, so I kind of get into it so you guys can see all the way up there. Okay, to edit some of that, I just realized I probably should check the pressure.
Finish my sandwich now.
Oh yeah. Did you get it out of there?
Yeah.
Because I usually only eat half anyways.
Yeah, but I just couldn't eat and not get mayonnaise everywhere.
Yeah. Son of a bitch.
Careful, dogs. What are you looking for?
Just a block or something.
Hey, hon.
Huh?
Can you crank this thing for me? Please? Keep going. Yeah, it's gonna fit. It's gonna fit. Good, 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 good. Get it from the side. Yeah.
Take mom back to the table. I forgot we even had that still.
Yeah. Looking good. We're looking good. Not hitting anything there. Clear there. Clear over here. Right there. Right against the tire iron. The whatever that is. Yeah, we're good.